This is Unit 4, Week 1, question number 11. What happened at Fort Sumter? I don't know, the Civil War started. And, well, what was it? Where was it? Charleston, South Carolina. It's the capital of South Carolina, where the toll bells rang out when they seceded. But the fort in the harbor, the fort that's supposed to protect the city, kept the officers stayed loyal to the Union. So the whole city surrounded its own fort and wouldn't let anyone in until they ran out of supplies, to starve them into joining the Confederacy, this little fort. Lincoln decided to send supplies, not military, but supplies to the officers there to hold out, because the Civil War was illegal in his estimation, and you couldn't secede, so a fort wasn't required to be turned over. And as a result of resupplying that fort, 4 more states seceded. And however, in the Civil War, 4 states never seceded. And those 4 states that were slave states that never quit the Union were Missouri, Kentucky, Maryland, and Delaware, the border states, the ones with the smallest percentage of slaves. Anyways, Fort Sumter was then fired upon by the city of Charleston. They fired on their own fort because it wasn't being turned over. And that overnight, all night long, bloodiest war of the entire American history started, and nobody died but a horse. The end of the shelling, the fort surrendered, was turned over to the city of Charleston, and the state of Charleston, now part of the Confederacy, and the Civil War had begun. And that's it from some guy in an aloha print shirt.